Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the sweet cornbread. Let's get started. Grease the Dutch oven with some vegetable oil. Transfer it to the oven. Preheat the oven at 410 Fahrenheit. Prepare some lukewarm buttermilk. Add 1 beaten egg. Softened unsalted butter. Mix them well and set aside. Now I will mix all the dry ingredients. I use fine cornmeal, plain flour, sugar, dry milk, a little salt, baking powder, some cooked sweet corn. Gradually add the buttermilk mixture. Mix them well until you cannot see any loose flour. Take the pot out of the oven. Be careful, it will be very hot. Transfer the batter to the Dutch oven. Put it back to the oven. Bake it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the stick comes out clean, meaning the bread is ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this sweet cornbread cost me $3. I'm going to enjoy my sweet cornbread with some salted butter. Thanks for watching my video.